Hello, everyone. Let's clean this muddy Disney car. It's really fun.
Mater, let's go! You're on!
Who are they?
Copy that, Jefe!
Huh? Ah!
Serving beautiful V6 Valley since 19...
And enjoy your wash.
Why am I such a coward? Huh?
What did Luigi tell you, eh?
Wow, you were right. Better than a Ferrari, huh?
Thanks for the help, Corporal.
Anything for one of Pop's mates.
Thank the manufacturer you're alive!
Matt?
One, two, three! A winner!
Who'll be jamming now?
Chance of thunder! Kajiga! Kajiga! Say it with me! Kajiga!
Esos no son faros. ¡Son tubos de escape!
Going full blast. McQueen hanging on for dear life when suddenly them two nasty lemons come out of no... I'm happier than a tornado in a trailer park.
Gojira, Dozo, come with me, please, sir.
But I'm gonna miss my plane.
Right this way.
defendant has no lawyer, the court will assign one to him. Hey! Anyone want to be...
If you're implying that I switched out that rot-gut excuse for alternative fuel with my...
Get your rusty tails down here! I created a drink in your honor!
Yeah, the Rusty's medicated bumper.
Don't worry, Mama. McQueen is very sad. I will beat.
Tell you what, I'll give you guys a head start. You're gonna need it.
Later, loser.
Look here, boys!
Welcome back. You look different.
Obviously.
You look ready.
Nice costume. Come here, let's get a picture. It's so great to meet my #1 fan.
Lightning Dragon McQueen!
I'll take care of this.
Benny, what's going on? Come on, snap some pictures. I gotta go sign my deal with Dynaco. Kachika, say it with me. Kachika.
Mr. Sterling, did you say Lightning McQueen was here? Because I don't see him anywhere.
Oh, diesels could fix steamies. That buffer means you can still chuff and puff.
Ramon will paint you up right. Hey, anything you want. You know, like the flame job.
Oh,
maybe
thanks.
gold.
Why don't you and I take a drive and talk? Billionaire to billionaire.
Over here. Let's smoke, Lee! Thank you for your support and your big mistake.
Pardon me, young man. You're blocking my view. Could you please step aside?
Oh, sure.